All right, who do we have here today?
Hi, I am Ricardo.
What are we doing today, Ricardo?
We're going to jumping, man.
Jumping out of an airplane?
From the airplane, yeah.
Was this your idea?
Yeah, it was my idea, you know.
Are you excited? You scared?
I am excited, having my bucket list, you know.
We're gonna check it off today. If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions?
Well, I think I'm going to make it, you know.
We're gonna have some fun.
That's the point. Making it strange, you know, for see how you feel after, you know.
Next time we see you, we're gonna be blasting off in the airplane. Let's have some fun.
Let's go make a next idea.
Here we go.
Oh yeah. How you feeling?
Woo!
Hey,
You ready for this? Stand right here, smile. Let's go get in, get up, get out, and go do this.
Let's go.
High five, my man. Here we go. Great, you have fun?
Increíble experiencia, el salto. Y la will get a heart attack.
Pull the right one down. Pull this one down.
Okay.
Pull. Woo!
Wow.
Good job. Lean forward, my guy. High five. Good job.
Thanks, man.
All right, we made it back. What do you think?
We make it back, yeah. It's one of the best experience ever, you know.
You have fun?
Yeah, have fun. You had a little pressure when you are jumping from the airplane, you know.
You gonna do it again?
I think they can do it again.
Good job, man.
Yeah, we like the ocean the next time.
Yeah,
that got to be fun.